Okay, now we can start. Basically, I will teach you how a project comes in an industry. Basically, first of all, it is a basic thing that we have to know about it because some of the students are here who are not from technical background or who are haven't like work in a technical field. So this is a very important thing that we need to know. So, how project come in an industry? Basically, a client supposed to be a name as like Kunal. Kunal is our client. So like so Kunal, what he do basically he basically interact with the executive or companies like ABC. Okay, so he interact with the company executives, and this executive will inform to the Kunal like our project manager. There's a term of project manager. Our project manager will take a meeting with you, and you can share your requirement with him. Okay, so in that scenario, there is a meeting between Kunal, like Kunal is a client between project manager. Okay. In that scenario, Kunal will inform like he need a software. It has same to as a Flipkart or Amazon.in. Okay. So in that scenario, Kunal will inform about all the requirement and PM will cover it. Okay, so he will cover all the requirement in a very rough manner, basically, because it is a meeting, so he hasn't the proper time to make a proper document at a time. So what he do basically, he will prepare the document, like all the requirement he mentioned there in a rough way, basically. So this document is known as BRS. BRS is known for business requirement specification. Okay, so basically it is a requirement that is prepared by the project manager. Okay, in that requirement, after preparing that requirement, uh, project manager will tell to the Kunal or client that I need a proper time to make it a proper soft copy, proper software requirement for it, so that I can share with you. So he will take a time from Kunal, from a client, and prepare a proper document. Like first, initially he has prepared as a roughly, so name as BRS. Now he will take proper time and prepare all the requirement in that Word file, and this file will known as SRS, software
I just had a quick question.
requirement specification. Someone asking you anything?
Yes,
No.
if you can hear me,
Yeah.
I have a quick question. So, are you going to provide this like notes?
Yes, I will provide. Don't worry.
Oh, okay. So we don't need like I don't need to write
First
this
of all,
all.
you have to need to write, but this is not a mandatory thing. So basically, just
Okay.
observe the things here. I will say the notes. Don't worry.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, I will. Both the things we will cover. Don't worry. Now, again, we're going to the part. Basically, what he do, project manager will first prepare the BRS, business requirement specification. After that, he will update that requirement in terms of SRS, software requirement specification. So, in software requirement specification, all the requirements are covered. And after covering that requirement, what he do, he will share, like project manager will share that requirement to the client. Then client will ask the project manager, you have covered the SRS, which is good, no issue about it. But I just want to know how my project will look like. I means how my project will display, how will be his GUI, graphical user interface. In that scenario, project manager will tell to the Kunal, like client, I need a few more days so that in that period of time, I will prepare a design document. So project manager will go to the design like to the person who prepared the design document, and that person is known as UI developer, user interface developer. So project manager is going to the UI developer, and project manager will give him like SRS, and we'll tell him like, please prepare the design document on behalf of SRS. So this UI developer will prepare the design document. I will say all the things, don't worry. Design documents. Okay. So in that scenario, what he do, basically he prepare the design document. Now project manager will again share the design document to the client. Sometime client will not accept the design document in his manner. Basically, sometime he doesn't like something in it. For example, he doesn't like the logo. Sometimes he said like, I don't like this kind of buttons here. Please change it. So he do some kind of changes here. So in that scenario, we have to again, like, project manager have to again update that design document with the help of UI developer. Then again, after updating it, again send it to the client, and client again accept it. Then first two things are completed here. First is SRS, and second one is design document. Now we will see how it will look like. Okay, so I'm showing you general drawing. But need to pause the recording because it is a company things. Okay, so I am pausing it to show you the details. Yeah. Now, first we have understand about the SRS document. Now we have understand about this design document. After that, our manager will call will call, just a second, pen. Yeah, will call project developer and QA. Okay. Project manager will call developer and QA, and he will inform to them that I have one project. The name of project is like someone ABC. In that project, we have a lots of module and submodule. Example for module and submodule, I'm showing you. Like if we go through with this project, you can see there is a home module, okay, and there is another module like courses. In that courses, we have different sub modules like software testing and software development. In software testing, if you go for software testing, there is another different kind of modules. You can see other kind of pages are here also. Okay, so in that scenario, what he do, basically he will tell about like, okay, he will tell about like, I have lots of module in that project. For example, let's say we have 400 modules. Okay, module plus some modules plus some modules. We have a 400 module plus some module in that project. So what we do, we will cover only short part of that project. Okay, it means we will not going to the one go to complete the project. If we go for the one go, like, so in that scenario, we have to cover like requirement. Project manager has to cover the requirement, and then it can take a time of 6 months, okay, to complete that whole requirement of that project, like 400 modules or modules. And if we go for the design part, then it will also take 6 months. If we go for the coding for that project, it will take around 2.5 years, okay, to complete the whole things. 2.5 years. And after that, if we go for testing, it will also take 2 years. After that, client will also check the things are correct or not, and he will also take 1 year. So in that scenario, it how much time is taking? It basically taking like 6 months, 6 months, 1 year. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5 plus 6, 6.5. In total is completing year. 6.5 years going through here. So in that situation, no one is going for that. Okay. So what we do in real time, basically we divided all the things in a days. That day is called a sprint. Explaining you it. Clear all drawing. Project manager, developer, QA. Now, there is a 400 module plus some module, let's say, and we will take only few part from here. Let's say we can like we can say like we in first phase we will cover like login, log out, dashboard, okay, reset password, and verification email. These modules we will cover in our first phase. Then project manager will satisfy with these things, and he will ask with the developer and QA like how much time it will take to you to develop and to test it. Then developer will say, for example, I'm saying, for developer will say he will take around 7 days to complete to make that modules. Then project manager will ask from the QAs. Basically, we will work as a QA in that industry, okay, as a tester. So QA will also inform like for project manager, we will take also like 6 days to test whole the things. Okay. So in that scenario, how much days will cover? 7 days plus 6 days, it will be around 13 days. So this in that 13 days, we are creating that modules, we will test that modules, and then after that we will share it to the our client so that the client will review all the things. So that scenario is known as sprint. That scenario is known as sprint. A sprint is basically a time box period during which a specific work is completed and made ready for the review by the client. So we have completed all the things in that we have to complete all the things in that scenario in that days, and that days is known as sprint. So are you able to understand what is sprint? Please confirm.
Time
Hello,
duration, Gautam.
Yes,
hello.
yes, yes.
Is it clear
Duration of
to all?
time. Time duration.
Yeah, time duration
Duration. Hmm.
during which developer has to complete his work as point of view as per developer point of view, and tester has to complete his work
But
as
I
per
have a
testing point of
doubt,
view.
Gautam. Instead of project manager,
Hmm.
this will handle by Scrum Master, right?
No, it depends on company to company.
Okay. This
Okay.
even
Now,
requirement gathering also taken by the business analyst or product owner, right?
depends on the company to company. So
Okay.
I was in a TCS in initial days.
Hmm.
There was all the things were covered by PM, project manager.
Hmm.
He's
Okay.
working as project manager. He's working as Scrum Master. Both the roles done by him. Okay. So it
Okay.
depends on company to company.
Okay.
Now coming to my point. So is it clear to all what is sprint? Please confirm.
Yes,
Usually,
sir,
like
confirm.
Yes, sir.
Gautam,
Thanks.
usually the sprint would be 2 weeks, no?
No, it depends. I will show you the video. Don't worry. I will show you the
Okay,
Jira here. So it depends.
okay,
It can be of 2 week, it can be of 3 week, it can be of 4 week, and it can be of customized. It depends on company to company, like what kind of project you are dealing with. Okay.
So, Gautam, sir, we can say sprint is a kind of task or something like which we need to.
Sprint basically time duration in which you have to complete your task. The thing is that a specific
Okay.
task that you have discussed in this meeting. This meeting is known as sprint planning meeting. Sprint planning meeting because we are planning a sprint, like what kind of task we will cover in that sprint in that days. Now is it clear?
Uh, yes, sir. So,
Thanks a lot.
I have one
Hmm?
more question. Like,
Yes.
I just wanted to know
Hmm.
what is the ratio of workforce developer with respect to QA in any general
Depends
project?
on the project. Basically, if there is a mid-level of project, in that situation, there is a three developer, one QA. If there is a like a large, like bigger project, complex project, in that situation, there will be around 10 to 12 developer and 3 to 4 QA. Depends on project.
Okay,
But
got it.
generally consider that there is a 3 or 4 developer and one QA. Okay.
Okay, got it.
Now this meeting is known as basically sprint planning meeting, so you have to know about it. Now I'm coming to the next point. Can all join? Need to change my pen. Wait, I have to again start it because my pen was not working at the time. Whiteboard. Now it's working. Okay. Wait. So after this meeting, what we do basically, developer will work on his like modules, and he will prepare that module like login, forget password, dashboard, etc. He will code for it. After coding for it, after coding for it, he will deploy that code in the URL. He will deploy that code in the URL. I'm taking an example, www.google.com. Okay, so he will prepare that code, he will create that code and will deploy that code to that URL. Okay, so this URL is known as software. This URL is known as software, and this software generally considered in our organization as a build. Okay, so basically it is a software which is prepared by the developer and will say to the QA to test it. So this software is known as build. Is it clear? What is build? Build is a software which is prepared by developer and say to the tester to perform the testing. Clear to all? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
got it.
Okay.
Got it.
What we do basically after that, this build
Can you
is
repeat it, sir?
given.
Hello?
Sorry. Yeah.
Can you repeat it, sir, once again, please?
I just want one of you who can repeat the things for the build only, please. Can anyone please repeat
Yes,
what is build?
I can. So
Hi, please.
basically, developer will write the codes for login and what is this another thing?
Modules.
Module. These modules he will write the code for these all modules, and after coding, he will upload these coding codes to this URL, which is, for example, www.google.com, which is a software called Build.
Yeah, which is software which is known as build, because this software will given to you, given to the tester for the testing. Now it is clear?
Build is nothing but a URL.
Build is
Yeah,
nothing
it's
but
a
a
URL.
software
Yeah,
which is
got the
developed by
URL
developer
from
and
the
send it to the
Xerox
tester.
team or developer.
Yeah. Now going to forward, basically which is it is build is given to the tester. Tester means QA to perform testing, but this build is given in a mail, in company mail. We can say like in a Gmail company mail ID or in a Outlook. So it one of them. Okay. So I'm showing you the build I have prepared for you. Wait a minute. Yeah, there is. So you can see here there is a build for ABC project. I'm taking as a name of ABC. So build for ABC project of sprint one. So what has it has mentioned, basically it has mentioned like, hello Gautam, greeting of the day, please perform testing on a given build. So build is here, this is a URL. Okay, VRL is basically known as build and a software. So modules that we have to cover, like we have to perform testing, is login, dashboard, manage about, courses, all the things he has mentioned here. So now what we do first? Now, testing point of view. From testing point of view, we are dealing from here. Okay. So after receiving the build, first we do the build is suitable to perform testing or not. Before that, I will give an example of daily life. If you go to the market or supermarket to purchase some shirt, for example, some shirt. In that scenario, before checking that shirt, would you pay your amount? Yeah, would you pay your bill to the executive? Yes, sailor.
No, never.
Never, no. So in that
No,
scenario,
no.
first of all, you have to check the shirt is suitable to you, or shirt is like the size is going to, or the size is fitting to you or not. Basically, first you will check. So in that scenario, if we receive the build, first we have to check that build is build is suitable for the further testing or not. So in that scenario, first we have to perform a smoke testing. First we have to perform a smoke testing. In smoke testing, first we check is build is ready or stable for further testing or not. If it is ready or stable for further testing, then we accept the build for the other component or indication or other kind of testing. Okay, so first we have to check build is stable or not. How can we check build is stable or not? So there is criteria. I'm showing you. These are all drawing. So first we have to copy that build. I have already opened it somewhere. I'm just copying from here. Control C. Okay, like I have copied a build from here, and we have to paste in Google search screen, basically here. And after clicking on enter button, if the landing page open, then it's cool, no issue about it. But after clicking on enter button, there is a white screen. Okay, so in that scenario, we have to inform to the developer like the build is not stable for further testing, because it is not showing me the landing page, it's showing me the white screen or page or 404 page not found. In that situation, we have to inform the developer in a mail about this build is not stable, and you have to say the screenshot of that issue, and inform the developer like this build is not stable, I can't perform testing on it, please update it. Then it's an in that scenario he will update that build, and he will again share with you to perform testing. So first we are going here now, clicking enter button. It is performing well, there is no issue because you can see it has all the things. Okay, now next step. So in the next step, first we will check the thing like login. So we will check the login is working or not. If we enter correct username, if we enter correct password, after entering all this correct data, if I'm clicking on sign in button, but I'm not able to enter, I'm not able to like log in. So in that scenario, I will inform to the developer like there is a blocker. There is a basically a blocker is a thing that if you try to enter somewhere but you are not able to enter. Okay, so this thing is known as blocker. So basically I have entered my valid username, valid password, but after entering valid data but I'm not able to log in. So in that scenario my critical functionalities or my main functionality is not working fine here. So I will inform the developer like there is a issue of blocker. I'm not able to perform testing because if I am not able to like log in, then how can I test all the things that you have mentioned in a mail? Okay. So in that scenario, it is our main functionality is not working fine, or critical functionality is not working fine, or we can say our core functionality is not working fine. It is also part of smoke testing. Now I'm going to inside. I'm able to log in. No issue about it. After login, there's one more thing. Basically, after login, you have to check one more thing like you have to click on every module that you have seen here and check is it open or not. Are you able to open it, that module or not? You have to check about it. Okay. So first I'm checking as like category. Yeah, it is opening very good. Courses, it is opening very good. Management, it is opening very good. So I'm taking an example here. So I'm able to open all the basically pages. So here we can see like we are performing normal health checkup for the software, for this module, yeah, for this build. We are performing normal health checkup testing because I'm just checking the his health, like its health, by clicking on all the module. Like I'm checking it's open or not. Am I able to open it or not? If I am able to open it, so it means this functionality is working fine. In that scenario, I will get the confidence. Yes, I have received the great good build, and I can perform testing on it. So I have received the confidence in it. Okay, I get the confidence on it. So we can say smoke testing has a different name as a confident testing, as a normal checkup testing, as a smoke testing, and one more thing, most important thing basically here. One more thing is, as a tester point of view, as a tester point of view, the first the first or initial testing that we perform is a smoke testing. The first or initial testing that we perform is a smoke testing. That is why it's another name is initial testing or initial testing process. Again, if we are able to perform all the tasks, if we are able to do it all the things here like smoke testing, then we can reply here in a mail about this build is working fine, I'm accepting this build. And we can say there is another name of this smoke testing is known as uh, build acceptance testing, because we are accepting that build now. Okay, so it has another name as build acceptance testing. So it has different kind of name like smoke testing, confidence testing, normal health checkup testing, and initial testing process, and last one is build acceptance testing. Okay, so these are the name for the smoke testing. In smoke testing, what we do basically basically we check the pages are the landing page is coming or not, the pages are opening or not. If both of the things are working fine, then we can accept the build for the further testing. Okay, so going to the point, we are all drawing. Yeah, cover testing. Yeah. So in smoke testing, I have mentioned here, like smoke testing is also known as confidence testing, build acceptance testing, and normal health checkup testing. Okay, it is done to verify whether core means these functionality that is mentioned in that mail, login, dashboard, etc., which is here. Okay, so these functionalities are working fine or not. We have to check. It is done to verify whether core and main and critical functionalities of the system in software, okay, system are working fine or not. Smoke testing is an initial testing process. Check whether the software under test means the software that is given to you for the testing, whether software and the test is ready or stable for further testing. Further testing means component testing, integration testing, next level of testing. Is it stable or not? Is it ready or not? We have to check with the help of smoke testing. So is it clear to all what is smoke testing and how to perform?
Gautam, I have a doubt.
Yeah,
While
please.
during the smoke testing, like, can we raise a bug? If you get any defect, can we raise a bug, or directly we can contact to the developer and
First
say
of
like,
all, if you find in smoke testing, you find a issue, na? So first
hmm,
of all, you have to share a mail in that mail, because in a smoke testing basically there is a critical issue like a blocker. In that situation, there is no need to go to the Jira, okay, to upload that bug, and
okay,
you just need to go here, just reply from here, because there is a like developer, project manager, QA manager, all of them are here in that mail. Okay, so it will be easy to them to understand what is the issue here, what is
okay,
basically main issue,
you can
that is
reply to the mail, bill mail.
reply in a mail.
Okay.
Now going to the parts. Yeah. So is it clear to all what is smoke testing? Can anyone please explain?
It is nothing but a build verification. When we got a bill, whether it is an initial testing, and we can verify the build we can accept or not, whether we can
Yes.
accept.
How? How?
Uh, how means like whether URL is working or not, whether the main functionality, main modules are they given the main modules, right? Whether the main modules are working properly or not. So when
Hmm.
we confirm the main modules are working perfectly as expected, then we can accept the build.
Yeah. If
Otherwise,
there
we
is
can.
any, if there is no any blocker. One more thing.
Yes.
Hello, Avinash.
Yeah.
Avinash, sorry.
Yeah, hi,
You
Gautam.
know?
Or we can say checking the basic and critical functionality of the
Yes.
application is also called as smoke testing, right? We can say that.
Yes. Yeah. Now coming to the next part.
Yeah,
First we
David,
will.
I have a small doubt here. Can you please explain once again the code?
Uh, I just need one person who can explain it. I can explain also, but I just want
No, no.
one person who can explain
I
it.
just wanted to know what is a blocker here.
Acha, okay,
Is it-
blocker. Blocker is a
yeah.
basically a thing in that situation. I can move forward. I can't move forward. Basically, if blocker is coming in the login screen, it means you have entered all the correct data, but you are not able to log in it. Okay. Or I can say like if I click on courses button, but it's not opening the page. The page is not opening here, but I'm clicking on it, but page is not opening. So this thing is known as blocker.
Okay.
Clear?
So in this example, I can take it like if I'm opening a Zoom meeting and um,
Yeah, this meeting is not
yeah,
opening, but you have
yeah.
entered the correct data, but it is not opening still.
Okay. Okay. I
Okay.
got it. Thanks.
Thanks. Okay, now going to the next part. I have covered the manual testing first point here, and second point we'll cover in next day. Now coming to the automation testing point of view. So I need basically a screen. So I'm basically stopping my screen from here. I need one screen from you. Can anyone please share?
May I share the
Because
screen?
basically I have to install Eclipse here. Okay. So for that I required basically a string. Can anyone please share?
Yeah, I can share.
Yes, please.
So, okay.
Good. Have you ever
Okay.
installed the Eclipse in your system, or is it present here?
I'm not sure. I think
No.
I did once.
Just do
I
one thing.
forget.
Do one thing.
Mobile Gautam.
Do one thing.
Okay.
Na? Go to search bar.
Yes, I'm
Yeah.
doing.
Just type here Eclipse. No, it is not present here. Don't worry.
Okay, no, it's there. Okay.
Now I need a control. Request mode control. Please approve me.
I didn't get any. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you. Just a second. Na? Okay, I can explain first point from here. Wait. What we are going to here, basically, we are going to start automation testing. For automation testing, we will cover first. We have to start from Java. Okay, then after Java, we will cover Selenium. To cover the Java, we required editor tool. We required editor tool. This editor tool is there is a number of editor tools, but I'm going with the Eclipse. Okay, so let me. I'm going with the Eclipse. So to
Gautam, I have a
install,
question.
yeah, please.
To learn automation, should we be thorough in manual and should we have some experience or knowledge on manual so that and then we can learn automation?
No,
Or
we can
simultaneously we can learn it
simultaneously we
fresh?
can learn. Don't worry, both the things we can learn simultaneously or parallelly.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
thank you. So first of all, we have to install the Eclipse in our system. Okay, so in that situation, we will go to the site Selenium. Sorry, we will go to the site. I will say you the site here, and after that we will download the Selenium. We will download the Eclipse from here. Okay, so removing thing from here. They're all dry. Now I'm going to the Google. First, I will check the things. I'm sending you one link to install the Eclipse. Just a second. I think I need to go through my screen. Okay, wait now. I'm sharing my screen again. Needs to stop from here. Control C. I'm sending one link to all of you in a Zoom, like Zoom chat.
Yes.
Yes, please open it, everyone, in your system only.
So both the links.
No, only one link.
Okay.
So you're doing it for me, right? So I don't have
I
the.
know I'm doing from your screen. Just a second.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Link is open. Then
Link open. Na? Please share this screen here. Who was there?
Aman.
Salija. Sorry, Salija,
Yeah.
na?
Yes. I have to share the screen again.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
Salija, can you open that link that I saved in chat? Zoom chat.
Okay. One second. Yeah.
Yes, please. Thank you. Okay. Give me the permission. Just a second. In the customer control.
Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Yes, I can do it. Just a second. Okay. Everyone can see here. There is a like Eclipse downloads option. Okay. From that Eclipse on download option, we can download the file. So just click on here. Then we will redirect to this page and just click on download. It will start to download. Wait 2 minutes. Everyone has downloaded the Eclipse.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we do, basically go to the folder. And double click on it. Just only do double click. Okay. If they will ask any permission, that it will not show to me. Okay. It will show to Shailaja only. If they will ask like yes or run, then please click on yes. If they ask for run, then please click on run. Okay, Shailaja.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay, it will work. Wait. Now just please check here, everyone. There is a multiple options. Na? So what we have to do, we have to click on the first option, Eclipse ID for Java developers. Okay. So just
Okay.
click on here. Salja, I will perform all the things in your system. Okay. So please don't click
Okay.
anywhere.
Sure.
So please click on Eclipse ID for Java developers. Everyone, please.
Yes, sir.
Now there is an option on installing. So click on install button. I will found a agreement version. So click on accept now. Let's start installing. Basically, it will take time. Just wait a minute. Basically, it is taking some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. In that situation, I will explain you one thing. Yeah, please.
Hi, Gautam.
Mm-hmm.
I have clicked the download, and after that, it should go to download.
Mm-hmm.
Where it's supposed to go, where I should go. And
Just click on the folder. You have to go to the download section in your system. Okay, and you will see the
download
Eclipse
folder, right?
in your download folder, please. And in that download folder, you will see the Eclipse. And just click on double click. Just double click on it.
I don't know why I can't see that. I just see form 6797771.cr download, something like that.
I think you have
Yeah, I
clicked
think this is the
on.
one. So
I think you have clicked on the wrong link. I think. No worry.
oh,
I will look into it. Don't worry.
okay. So
Just take an just look into here. I will check. Don't worry. Okay.
okay, thank
Hello
you.
everyone. Are you able to see there is a launch option?
Yes, sir.
Have you in your system are you able to see launch option?
No, sir. It is showing installing.
It's still
Oh,
installing.
installing? No, so we will wait for it.
Okay.
In that scenario, what can I do? There is a question of what her name here. Someone was asking a question about download folder.
Ramai.
Rama,
Me, Rama.
Rama,
Yeah.
Rama, can you share your screen so that I can check,
Sure.
please? Shalja, I'm
Yeah.
removing your screen for a minute. Okay, I will going back to
Sure.
it.
Okay, sure.
So don't click anywhere. Okay,
Okay, okay.
Rama, share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, I'm able to see your screen. So go to download folder. I have to check.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it is corrupted file basically. Deleted. Please delete this file.
Okay.
Delete.
What?
Basically do one thing. Just give me permission. Just a second. Request remote control.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, it will not delete automatically again. No, so it if you shut down the system now and again restart it, then it will be removed from here. So don't worry about it. Just go to that folder from where we
Okay.
are downloading the file.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Just go to that folder, please.
So should I go or?
So you have to
okay.
go. Just click on that folder, please. Eclipse.
Where I should go? Sorry.
Don't worry, I will do.
So I just click the link and that.
Just a second, please. Where is the option?
I just click in the Zoom, here.
Yeah, what's sorry, Rama, I have shared the link na to install the Eclipse. Where is the link? Can you please click on it?
Yeah. So I cannot open the Zoom. So just a second. Just because I've shared the screen, that's why I cannot open the Zoom.
Yes.
So
Do one thing. Stop your screen. Click on that link.
just
Open
let me
that page,
stop.
and again share your screen.
Yeah.
Please do it
Okay.
fast. Can you please send a link again in that Zoom?
Oh, so I don't know what's wrong. So let me connect back actually. There's something wrong. Zoom is.
There is a basically
cannot
you
see.
have to stop your screen sharing, and then you can check the link in a Zoom chat.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Do it fast. Kuldeep has shared the link. Raman, just click on that link and open that page. After that you can share your screen. Okay, Salja, share your screen, please.
Yeah.
Now, everyone has a launch screen. Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Now click on launch screen.
Okay.
It is still installing for me.
Okay. I'm just clicking here. I have just clicked on launch button. Then it will ask for please see all of them. It will ask for the browser. Okay.
Yes.
Don't do anything here. Just click on launch
Okay.
button.
Can you share the link again, please, for the Eclipse
Kuldeep,
in
can
the
you share
chat
this?
window?
Kuldeep, can you please share the link again, please?
Yeah, sure. Just allow me a minute.
Okay.
Yeah, I've shared again.
Thanks, sir. 1 second. Okay, you can see there is a screen of welcome, but there is a welcome screen. You can see here, this screen will appear. Okay, so it is basically our welcome screen. Just click on this cross button so that you can go to the main screen. Just click on it. I will do. Clear drawing. Cross. Now, this is basically our main screen. Okay.
Okay, sir.
To perform all the tasks from here, first before that I have to explain most of the things. So I'm going for it. Okay, and I just need my skin only. So basically I'm going for it. Salja, I will come.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Now, basically, first of all, we have to understand a few things before going to the main project or before going for the testing, like Java or Selenium. How to create a project, how to perform tasks. So I'm explaining all the things here. So going to my college days, I'm going to my college days. If you know, our college are affiliated to the universities. So I'm making it here university. Like in that university, we have our college, and in that college we have our class name is BA, BCom, BTech, BSc, BE, BBA. Okay? So all the things we have, and well, like all the classes are in a college. Okay, so in the same pattern, we have to create a project. University, like a university, we have to create first a project. In that project there is a college, so we will create here a package. In that package we will have class, and in that class we will write our code. Okay, in that class I will write, or we will write our code. So this is basically pattern: university like a project, college like a package, class like a class. I'm going more further. Wait. Yes, wrong. Now if we go for like this, in a university there is lots of colleges like C1, sorry, like college 1, college 2, college 3, etc. In that college 1, 2, 3, there is a number of classes: C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Similarly, if we are going to create a project, so in that situation, project will be same. But in that project, there is a number of packages: P1, P2, P3, P4, and that package there is a number of classes like C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, and so on. Okay, so you can have a better understanding about, like, first we have to create a project. In that project there is lots of packages, and that packages we will have our classes, and that in that classes we have to write a code. Clear to all? Please confirm.
Yes.
Hello.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Repeat.
Okay.
Yes,
Please
sir.
write this thing so that you will have the better understanding.
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
Okay. Can anyone please repeat? No, so can anyone please repeat about it?
Yes, sir.
Please do it.
Um, Suppose we have one university, and inside the university we have different college, and in different college we have different class. Inside college we have different class like BBA, BTech, and CA. These are the classes which comes under college, and college comes under university. And university is considered as project. Inside project we will have the package, and inside package we will have class.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Please write it in your notebook so that you will have understanding. Okay, can I move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Clear all drawing. Okay, so now we have to know how to write the name of that like project, that package, or that class, because there is some criteria for it. Okay, so first I'm going for the project. How to write the name of that project. Okay, so there is some examples I'm writing here. Please note in your notebook. I'm taking example like automation. It is right, no so about it. But if I write like automation, which is not correct, because uh, if you go for the project analysis, then basically the first initial should be capital. Okay, first initial should be capital. Let's make it. Okay, so I am writing is a very small, so it is not correct. Okay, and I can write it as same automation underscore 123, which is correct. But if I write as 123 automation, which is not correct, because initially you don't mention the numbers or numeric. Okay, so these things are correct. These things are correct, and one more thing, automation. Yeah, automation batch. It will also correct. A is capital, B is capital. You can write it. Okay, just write it. Have you done? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I remove? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Clear all drawing. Now going for the package. Okay. For the package, there is one statement like the package name always in a small letter. Okay. Example, I'm writing like package one, which is good. Know also about it. I'm writing like package underscore 123, also good. Knows about it. But I'm writing like it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Basically, package name always in a small letter, but I have write P as a capital, which is not good. Okay, so I have mentioned it wrong. Now again, if we simple write package, it is in a small letter as per the statement, but package is already predefined. Basically, it is keyword in a Java, so we can give a name as package. Okay, so we have to write one or two and something here so that I can manage it. But we can't write simple package word. Okay, to represent the package. Now moving forward.
Can the names
Space.
start with a symbol, special character?
Don't write it with a
Okay.
special character or same or numbers. Like
Oh.
don't write it as.
Oh.
Okay. Space. Space 123. There is a space basically. So
Okay.
space would be not there. So right way is this. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now reviewing from here, clear out drawing, going for the classes. It has very important roles. Okay, so first letter of class name always be in a capital letter. Example, I'm writing as 1. It is correct because O is capital here. Okay, but I am writing as 2. It is wrong because first letter always in a capital letter. Okay, and I can write it as 1 underscore 1 2 3. It is right. Okay. And I can write it as 1 1 no, wait, I can't write it as 1 2 3 1. Okay, don't start with number initially. It can be alphanumeric, but like this or like this. Okay, but don't like it. Okay, now one more thing. If we write it as, I'm writing my name. I haven't given any space here, but I have done one thing. I have made the G capital, K capital, and G capital. We can do it. Okay, this is also a good thing. Basically, this is a standard way in our organization to write a class, to make any class.
Camel casing.
Camel cases, yes, you can say this camel cases. Okay, one more thing, space. I haven't mentioned space, no. 1 1 2 3. Okay, so we can't give the space here. Have you written?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, now moving forward, we understand how to write the names of all the things. Now we are going to the like class, like how to write a program. Okay, so in that situation, first what we have to do, basically we write a program like I'm writing here. I'm taking an example like class. I'm making first class here. In a project, in a package, I'm making a class. Okay, under the package. So class, I'm taking as a name as 1. Then you have to make a bracket. Okay, bracket has a very important role. If bracket is not in a proper way or proper alignment, then it will give us it will give a compile time error. Compile time error means there is that color of error. Okay, I will show you. So in a class, if we try to run it, it will not print anything because I haven't mentioned anything here. It is just basically a dead code because it hasn't any hurt. If I take an example, as a human being, to live the human being or animals or birds, there is a one thing in our body which is heart. Okay, if our heart is not working or it doesn't stop, it doesn't work, it basically doesn't work, then we will not live. We will dead. Okay, so in that same scenario, in a class, if there is a no heart, then it will not work. It will be dead code. Okay. So basically, what is heart here? So the main method. I'm mentioning a name here. The main method, or we can say, to understand purpose, heart. Okay. So public static void main is a basically proper statement. String args. This is basically our main method, or we can say heart of program. If it is not present that code, then my code will not work. It will be dead code. Okay. So basically first we have to do in a class, we have to mention that. Okay. So we have to mention that main method. But to understanding further things, we are mentioning here just as PSVM. Make it as public static void member, but I'm just making as PSVM, writing as PSVM to understand things. Now in that PSVM there is also bracket, first bracket, initial bracket, and a closing bracket. Now, if I want to print something here, like our first automation program, something which I want to print here. So in that situation, what we do, we have to write our code, or we have to write our statement in that code. This what is the code? Code is system dot out dot println. Okay, in that bracket we have to write our sentence that we have to print. So I'm writing here like automation program. Okay, and after that you have to mention semicolon. Why semicolon? I'm explaining it. uh, if in English, if we write any sentence, like I'm writing is my name is Govind Kumar Gautam, and after that we have to mark full stop. Okay, so we have to complete the sentence, we have to mark full stop there. In similar way, in a programming language, if we want to terminate, if we want to complete your sentence or your code, you have to mark semicolon. Okay. Similarly, in same way, I have marked here semicolon. I don't require it here. Okay. So I have mentioned semicolon here. Now what we have to do, just write it here, same thing, and print the thing. If you print the code, then you will get the output of automation program. Okay. So this is a basic structure to write the code. Is it clear? Anyone has any doubt in it?
No, sir.
No.
Okay, now going forward, and we will create our project, we will create our project package, then we will create our class, and we'll write the code here, there. Okay, so Salja, we require
Yes.
your screen. Just a second, clear all drawing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now you can say. Okay, I will do the things. So allow me just a second, request remote control. Okay, first we have to create a project. How to create a project? There is an option of file. Everyone can see there is a file option in your system, in your Eclipse. Are you able to see? Please confirm. There is a
Yes.
file. Just on the in that file, just click on the file. I think I'm not able to click. Just a second. Yeah. So in the file, basically I'm click on file. There is an option of new. Wait. Salja, can you please click on the file, because I'm not able to click on your system.
Okay.
Yes, on the file you
New.
can see there is a new option. In that new option, there is a one more thing. There's another page, or in that page we have a Java project. Basically, we are working on Java now. That's why we will click on the Java project. Uh, just click on it. Now I can do it from here. Okay.
Okay.
So in that screen, what we have to do, we have to write the name of project. So I'm writing it here. Automation. I'm not able to writing it. Sorry. Okay.
Okay.
Samya, do it. Samya. Sorry, क्या नाम था? What's your good name? Sorry.
Mine? No.
हाँ, yeah, please. What's your good name?
Shailaja.
Shailaja, sorry. हाँ. Shailaja, please write your name here. Like automation. We mentioned automation.
Yeah.
Automation 1. ऐसे डाल दो. Automation 1.
Okay.
Yes. After that, I'm trying to do. Wait. Can I do? Yes, I can do.
Yeah, I think you
Okay.
got it.
Okay, so after writing the name, like as a project name automation 1, we have to select the environment from here. Okay, so the latest environment is Java SE 1.8. You can see from here, please watch Java SE 1.8. So we have to select Java SE 1.8. I have clicked on it. Now, what we have to do? Now we will click on finish, not an next. We have to click on finish. Okay, so I'm going to click on finish. Now my project has been created. Please check. My project has been created. Are you able to create a project? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in that project, we have to create a package. Just click on just right click on automation 1. Salja,
Yes. Yes, sir.
just right click on yes.
Yeah.
After right clicking on it, you will see another new option. Just click on new option. And now we have to create a package. Okay, so go to the package. Yeah, click on package. Now I have to write the name. So I'm writing here something. Please watch. If we write the name as in a capital letter, as I inform you. Oh, why I'm not able to write it?
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay. I will do. I can do. Sorry, wait.
Okay, okay.
I'm writing the name in a capital letter. Okay. So if I write the name in capital letter, we can see here, discard package name. Discourage package name. So it is not correct. Okay. So if we write in a small letter, because package name always in a small letter. Okay. That is working fine. Create a new Java package. But if we write the one at any cell, it is also invalid. Okay. But if we write only package, then it is also displaying our error. Okay. So in that situation, we just write package one. And again, if we write space, then we write one, that is also showing your issue. Okay. So we have to write only one here. Just click on create package info, package one, and finished. Now our package has been created. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to create a class. So go to the package one, right click on it, go to the new, and again click on class. Then there is a window. Now I have to write the name. So I'm writing it here like one. I have written in a correct way, but I will do it in wrong way. Wait, I'm writing in a small letter. The name is discouraged. Okay, and if I write the name as one, it is also showing me like this name is not valid. Now again going for the correct way, one, but I have given a space. Now I'm writing one. Oh, why it is displaying? Wait. Yeah, if you're writing one, then space, then one. This is not basically this name is not valid. Now I'm doing right thing. 1_1, it is working fine. Okay, so I'm writing it's only one here. Now from that four boxes, which box should I click?
Public
Please inform me.
static void.
Yeah,
First,
public static void main. Basically, it is the main
Okay.
method or it is the heart of our program. I'm clicking on public static void main and finished.
Govind, I have a doubt here.
Yeah, please.
Yes, so as I have tried to create I have created that automation one, and then I
Hmm.
have right clicked on it, and then I have created that package one. So
Hmm.
instead of package one, I have typed PAC package one. Okay, the
Hmm.
PAC letter was capital, but it has created that one. Okay,
But
and
it will impact in the codes. If we go for the Selenium now, it will not work. That's why I'm informing
yeah,
from the beginning. That's why I'm informing from the beginning. Don't write in a capital way. Put the package only.
yeah. So
Okay.
so that's what the doubt is, that can I edit it, or
Yeah,
is it a
please you
waste?
have to edit. Yeah, or you can delete it from here. Then again, please create the package.
Okay, I have to delete and create another package.
Yeah. Now,
Hello, hello,
yeah.
Gautam sir.
Mhm.
While creating Java class, do we just have to select public static void main or
Yes.
deselect this inherited abstract methods?
No. You have to select public static void main.
And what about inherited abstract method? Do I have to
It
select
is
it,
it
or
is it is different thing. I will teach about it
well,
in
it
a
is
next
it
class.
is selected defaulted.
It is yeah, it is selected defaulted. Just untick
So
it.
let it just be.
Just untick that point and
Okay,
just
okay,
click on public static void. Okay.
okay, done.
Now this is our basically our class. Just a second. Making the structure in a good way. Yes, all are good. Okay, you can see there is a one statement to do auto generated method stub, which is in green color. And before that sentence, there is the two forward slashes. Okay, this forward slashes indicate to the comments. Comment is the thing or is the sentence or the word that will not execute in our program. this thing will not execute our program. Okay, so but why it is mentioned here? To understand the thing, why we are making, what we have to done. So if you want to write something to understand only for us, for only understanding point of view, to understand only for us, only for me, so we can write a comment. Okay, but it will not execute in a program. I will teach you. I will give you an example of it. So before that, I'm going to the polystatic void main string or done. Okay. Now what we have to do, basically we have make a sentence here and we'll print. Okay. To make the sentence, I have written a code. So sy system dot out dot print print ln parenthesis and after that semicolon. In that if you run sorry, if you want to write something, then you have to write everything in just parenthesis, including inverted commas. Okay, but I haven't mentioned anything here. So what we I have mentioned anything here now. So if I click on execute button, then it will not will give any data because I haven't mentioned anything in a system.out.println. So I'm doing here is a basically execute button, run one Java. I'm clicking on it. Nothing is there. Okay, now I'm writing something here. Automation first program. Control and save. If I write the executor button, then I will give the output. I will get the output in that console bar. You can see automation first program. The sentence is printed in a console. So I will get the output. Okay. And one more thing, I have written system.out.println in a proper way, but there is a shortcut for it. What is the shortcut? Just check. I'm writing, just please look into here. I'm writing SYSO. Now I'm clicking a control button from my system. I have pressed the control button. Now I'm clicking on and now clicking on space button for the one time only. Okay, I'm clicking on space button. I clicked one time. It is coming. Okay, you can see. Again, I'm doing it.
But
S
please increase
Y.
font size, sir.
Okay, yeah. It was wait. Control plus. Are you able to see now?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing again. I'm writing SYSO control and space. Just click here. It will work. Okay. Now. Yes. Okay. So we can see like we can understand about how to write system.out.println in a short way. Basically, just write SYSO. Click on control, then click on space. It will display the system.out.println. Now I'm going forward. If I write something from here like 1, okay. Now I'm going to execute it. We can see automation first program 1. If I want, like after automation first program, before the 1, there is one space. There is a space of one line. Then what should I do? Then there is one option. In that first automation first program, in the first sentence, automation first program, go there. After that, in the last point, and mention /n. Okay, in a small letter here. Just mention /n. Control and save. Again, click on it. You can see the one space because n stand for new line. Okay, so here it has given a new line. You can see here. But if I mention the sentence after n, what's it do? So, what will it do? Basically, I'm writing here 2. Okay, don't give any space here. But what it will do? Basically, there is n is a new sentence, then 2 will go to the next line. Okay, I'm writing. Okay, because I haven't saved. Now you can see automation first program, and for new line and to jump to the next line, which is 2. Okay, and then the 1. If I give the space after n, control save, you can see there is a space. Okay, there is a space of it before the n, before the 2. Now removing that space. Okay, all are working fine. Now I'm doing one thing. If we can see here like I have written the sentence like this. First, I have mentioned automation first program. We are able to see it. Wait. Yeah, first I have written the automation first program. We are able to see it. Then we have written 1. Then we are able to see it after it. But if I change the order, then what will be the order of execution? I have mentioned here. Okay, so I'm commenting it. No, so the now tell me what will be the order of execution?
One automation
That
first
automation
program.
first program.
Right. 1, then automation first program. So it will work on the order of execution. Okay. So in that, in which order you have to make sentences, you have to enter the code. On that order, you will get the output. Okay. Yes, we have covered. And now I'm giving you the some assignments for it so that you can perform tasks. Please write the assignment. First of all, just write that code. Try to execute it. If you are not able to execute it, then I will check. Okay. If you are able to execute it, please inform me. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. Just do it. Then I will give you assignment.
Please have a quick question.
Yeah, please.
If you want to print one or automation first program multiple times, so how can we do it?
You can do it by for loop.
Oh, loop.
You can.
So,
For
okay,
loop
so
will
that's
help you to iterate the things multiple times. Or you have to do one thing
okay.
this,
And do
manually.
you?
If you do the manually,
Mhm.
then you have to write it some like you have to write it same as
Multiple times.
same as multiple time, which is
Mhm.
not good. So that's why we have to use for loop.
Okay. And will you explain later in the classes the meaning of public, static, void, main, string, like this whole sentence?
Basically, it's our public is a I will explain, don't worry about it. Basically, it will not come in an interview, but I will explain it, don't worry.
Sir, Gautam sir,
Okay.
I was just trying to use the
Please.
shortcut way to write system.out dot println. Like as you said, just write syso, then
Oh,
press control, then
then space.
space. So
Yeah.
it's just throwing an error. Like
What kind of error?
it worked. Sorry,
Okay.
it is working now.
No. Right. Just complete it. Then we will move forward.
Yeah, I just can you please confirm two more things here?
Please.
That new line thing and then that shortcut once again. I mean, I get it that we have to type it
Okay.
SYSO and then
Yeah, please write
so and
in your
so.
system. Please write SYSO.
Yeah.
Yeah. After that, click on Control. Just press that button, Control, and
Mm-hmm.
click on space one time.
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Great.
And the new line thing.
For the new line /n inside that bracket, inside that in inverted comma, like I have mentioned
Okay.
here, /n is small letter basically. One more thing, Java is a case sensitive. Okay, so if you're writing something in a capital letter or a small letter, please be in your mind like I have written this thing in a capital letter, you have written this thing in a small letter, else it will give you the error. I'm showing you the compile time error. Okay, if I write outside this inverted comma /n, which is not correct. it is giving me red line. You can see here. This red line is known as compile time error. Okay.
Okay.
It's showing me the token basically क्या कहते हैं? Syntax. It is showing me the syntax error. Basically, it is a compile time error. Okay. If
So if
you
you
see
write
the red
inside,
line, yeah, please.
yeah, just do it inside that one. I mean, inside that inverted comma, so that I can see whether I'm on the right part or not.
Good.
Yeah, and we need to press enter after this.
No, just click on execute. You will get the output.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
you will get the output like it is. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Thanks.
Where I was, sorry. Okay. Have you done anyone? Have anyone has written the code and executed? Kunal, Prasant,
Yes, sir.
Ramya.
Yeah, I have done it.
Okay, done. Now I'm going for the assignment. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Just a second. Okay. I need to. Where is my pen? Wait. I know. Okay. Please write. I'm writing here. Okay. Oh. Now it's fine. So assignment is first one is this ID code. Okay. So for the multiple time, like around 5 times. Think like do it for the write the sentences for the 5 times here. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by yourself so that you have the proper understanding on it. And one more thing, do it same. And one more thing, create new project for the assignment. Okay, create a project for the assignment, and that project create the package by yourself and create a class and create multiple classes like class 1, class 2 and class 2 and perform different kind of like actions like perform the sentences and print the sentences here, then print the sentences here and print the sentences here. Just do it only. Okay, so it you will have the proper understanding about the concept. Are you able to do it? Please confirm.
What is the second assignment? We need to create
Just you
multiple
need to
classes.
create the project. In that project, you have to create the package. In that package, under the package, you have to create the classes and different kind of classes like class 1, class 2, class 3, as per your
Okay.
choice. Okay, and just print the different kind of data, like 3 to 5 lines here.
Okay.
So for each class, you have a separate public static main void.
Yes, for each class, you will have separate public static void means separate SYSO
Oh.
system.out.println.
Oh.
Just a second. Clear all drawing. Just a minute now. No, sorry. Where's thing? Okay. Now, okay. Now from tomorrow we will cover the same like other things. From like we will cover the manual testing part, like component testing, integration testing, and retesting how to perform that kind of testing in real time. And then we will cover in automation testing. We will cover like the basically variables, the static method, the non-static method, how to call them, what is the static and non-static method, and what is the process for to use it. We'll cover all the things about it. Okay, so we are going to wrapping it here. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
Sir, I have one question.
Okay, please ask.
Sir, what will be the timing and what will the days of our classes?
Okay, I have mentioned it at initially. The time for automation testing is Monday, Wednesday, Friday at evening 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And for
8
the
p.m.
manual,
to 9 p.m.
yeah, and for the
Okay.
manual testing, will be same at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. But on Sunday it will be on Monday. It will be on morning.
Okay.
Morning what time?
Morning what time? It will depend like before the 11.
So sir, you will inform in the group, na sir? Ki...
Yes, I will inform
Yes,
the group
yes,
before that.
Gautam, please post the timing in the group so I can check with the US timings and attend the class.
Sure. Just
Yeah.
attend the tomorrow class, then we will post the timing. Okay.
Okay, sir. Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
Tomorrow at what time, sir?
Same time
Same.
as
Okay.
today.
And Monday
Okay.
onwards, we will connect at 8 p.m. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, there's a request from me. Could you just share
Hmm.
the curriculum of the course with
I will
us?
say. Don't worry. I will say.
Okay. And sir, will you
Yeah.
please
What?
share the link of this video as well?
Yes. I will upload it in the basic Google Drive. Then you can watch. Okay.
No, okay. Thank you.
And I just need your mail IDs. So please say your mail ID in the group. Everyone.
Sure, will
Please
do.
don't say it.
Okay.
Please don't say
Okay,
it
sir.
personally. Please say it in the group. Okay. Thank you.
Gautam, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
You said right, the smoke testing. Testing is nothing but the testing the main and critical functional.
Yes.
What is the difference between the main and the critical functionality?
Main and
I'm
critical
thinking about
functionalities.
main means
Sorry.
login is the main. Without
Main
login,
or
we can't.
sorry. I just want to explain here. Main or critical functionalities or core functionalities all are same. That functionality which is given to you for the testing in a mail.
Both are same, main and critical.
Yes.
Oh, login is the critical, right? We without login we can't.
We can't process further.
We can't process. Okay. Thank you, Gautam.
Okay. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we need to join tomorrow at 10 a.m. only.
Same time, 10 a.m.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
सर एक और
No.
पूछना था मुझको, मतलब हम जावा जो करेंगे वो मतलब बेसिक से करेंगे ना, स्क्रैच से, या फिर
मैं स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट किया ना आज भी.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है, मतलब हम जो मतलब यूज में आएगा वही पढ़ेंगे या फिर डिटेल में
भाई
पूरा?
सारा कराऊंगा मैं. I will do all the things that I perform in our industry because I'm also automation tester here, na? I'm basically SGD engineer.
Yeah.
I will go from the scratch. I will do all the things that we are going through in our organization. So don't worry.
That's what just I wanted to know. Thank you.
Great. Thank you. Now we are going forward. I'm wrapping the session, and I hope you will enjoy the session today. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Gautam. And the way of teaching is also good, Gautam.
Thanks a lot, yeah. Thank you.
Bye.